In the early 1960s, a man named Ernesto Miranda was arrested in the state of Arizona. He was accused of kidnapping and rape. The police interrogated him for 2 hours straight and then forced him to sign a written confession. He was later sentenced to anywhere between 20 to 30 years in jail.
The Arizona State Police used his written confession against himself in court. Miranda then said that his Fifth Amendment rights were violated. He then decided to take his case to the Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court decided in 1966 that Miranda's Fifth Amendment rights had been violated, and that his signed confession could not be used in the court's decision. The jury's vote was 5-4. Although Miranda did not do jail time for these crimes, he did time for robbery.
This case set the tone for how other cases should be treated. In fact, during the time of Miranda versus Arizona, there were 4 other cases with the same violations. After these cases, the Miranda rights were created and are now read to all possible suspects.
You have the right to remain silent.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
You have the right to an attorney.
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you.
Do you understand the rights I have just read to you? With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
One of the dissents on this decision was made by Brian White. White said that regardless of whether or not Miranda's rights were read to him, he should have known better than to release the incriminating evidence against himself. White also claimed that Miranda should have known better, and knowing his rights definitely wouldn't have changed the outcome of his case.
John Herron, who wrote an additional dissenting opinion, believed that the confession and evidence found by the Arizona police should have been used to prove Miranda guilty. He claimed that the police treated Miranda fairly, and the information was the only evidence there to convict him. Used in the court's decision.
This case set the tone for how other